Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. In the previous video, we discussed about the how we are clear the values we discussed in the previous video. Once we click on to the clear, automatically this will be the hidden, and to the this one also be the clear the values, right? And we have to better the increase some width. It is very less, right? We can take it to the here. Clear to the and generate the quotation. We have to increase the sum width. Better to here in the CSS. Oh, actually, we have taken by the 500, right? Instead of the 500, we can take by the 600 and deploy in this also be the, we have to change it by the 600. And one more thing, we have to once to clear this data, this will also be the clear, right? Default value, we have the 1, right? We can give it by the default value 1 as well to the when we are clear. So here we have to give it to the this dot quantity equals to 1. So we have to give it by the values. This is these values also be the clear to this one. Okay. Or you can leave it. If you clear the all the values also, we can clear it. That is also fine. Not a problem. But already we have defined that is the quantity one in the top. But it is what happened. All the input fields is the clear, right? That's why that will also be the clear. Let's leave it. Yeah, hi, hello everyone. Welcome back to the Salesforce real-time scenarios. In the previous video, we discussed about to the so how we are going to clear the values we discussed in the previous video. So let's see here. Once we click on to the clear button, we can hide the quotation box as well as to the here we have to the change the values also clear these values. So MacBook and here we have given to the 2. So click on the generate. This will be the appear now. Let's clear this. We have to the clear the values. Okay. So once it is clear, all values will be the clear. This quotation box also will be the cleared. And we can increase the size also. This some this earlier we have the 500. Now we are given to the 600 for this box width also. Okay, we have the changed by the box width also. This in the previous video. Now we can discuss to the in this video how we are going to generate it by the PDF. Once we are giving the all the details, we need to generate it by the PDF. So how we are going to generate it by the PDF this? Let's take the one button for the generate PDF. So come to the child component. Let's take to the after table, lightning button. So here label generate PDF. So here we are going to give it by the generate by the PDF and let's we have to give it to the on click, sorry, on click. So in the on click, we can take it by the method name handle PDF, right? We have to generate by the PDF, right? Handle PDF. Let's save this and deploy. So come to the here, we have the refresh by the page. It is deploying. Once it is deployed, we can see this one. So after deploying, we can able to see the generate PDF button. So this will be the appear into the in the UI. Okay. So after that, we can do the functionality. So still it is deploying. So and one more thing also, I think we need to give it by the align to the center. This at present it will not appear by the center. Okay. Let's see it is deployed. Now refresh by the page. So here we have the to generate. See here, button also be the up here. We are not given by the any variant. That's why it is up here like this. So we have to give it to the variant equals to brand, and we have to give this some space between these two. So break, and we have to give it to the div tag. So in the div tag, we can use it to the align to the center, right? So standard SLDS. So here SLDS, we can give it to the text align to the center. So now this tag, okay. So now this is the aligned. Let's save this. We have the deploy. Okay, now it's deployed. Refresh the page. So now here, okay. So we have to give it to the here to. So I think align center not properly mapped. So align. Okay, so typo mistake. Align center. This is okay. So save and deploy. Now it is the we can deploy it, so we can able to see the align to the center. Let's refresh by the page. So like this. So we have the generate. See here, align to the center. After this also we can give it the like this space. We can give to the one more break to the this after this tag. BR. Okay, after this will also be some space between to the this. Okay, like this will be the appear. Space is the appear, no? Like this will appear. Now come to the here how we are going to generate the PDF for this. Let's come to the Visualforce. In the Visualforce, we have to create by the PDF format. Already we aware of that, right? So come to the Visualforce code. I am writing into the in the developer console directly. So here I'm going to take it by the one page. First, we have defined by the one class. Okay, something we have to define by the one class first. So here Apex class. This is not only for the used for the uh, this requirement. It is utility class. We can use it by the other components also used for the PDF format. Okay, not only for this. It is the utility class you can use for the some other components as well. So that's why here we have to take it by the PDF page controller. We have to take it. This is PDF page controller. So this is the our class name. In this, just I'm taking to the one property first. Data type public string. So PDF content. What is the content we are going to store within the PDF, right? So that is the PDF content setter getter method. We have to take it this. Why? Because mean this we need to display into the UI. So let's take the constructor. Okay, so how we are going to define the constructor? Public with the same name of the constructor, right? Class name is the same as the constructor. So now in this, I'm going to define the PDF content equals to. So just simply first initially before we are going to implement by this, generally we have to discuss this first. Okay. This is common for the all. Now how we are going to call the this class and page into the our requirement, we can let's see. So generate PDF. So just some content I'm giving at present. So now let's create by the page, Visualforce page. So now this Visualforce page is the page. or we can give it by the something to the here. We have to the generate. So we have to give it by the generate to the PDF. This is the our class name, sorry, page name, legal name. So here we can give it by the something other name. So I think so we can give it. So space added, I think so. So now it is generated. Now we have to call by this controller. Already we are aware of that how we are going to controller calling. Controller. Our controller name is the PDF page controller. And in the standard we have the rendered as. Render as we have to define to the PDF, right? So PDF. So let's take the content here. Just we have to display by the our content. So how we are the our content is the so symbol. So what is the our content? This is right. This is the content. So save. Let's save this. We can see the preview up to here. So still it is saving. So it's still saving. Okay. Once it is saved, we can preview the code. It is generated by the PDF. When we are giving the render as a PDF, it is automatically changing to the PDF format. Okay. So we are giving the our text is the here. What we are the content is the PDF content is the this is PDF generate. Okay. Let's take this. I'm closing this. Again, we can reopen. So here we have the open pages, generate PDF. So save. It's taking time rate earlier. I just closed and do reopen and do save it this one. Still it is saving. So once it is saved, we can see now preview. Preview this. See here, generate PDF. We are giving the this one now. What is we are given to the here? That will be the appear. That will be the appear right in the PDF format. So that is the appear by the PDF format to that is. Okay, so how we are going to invoke this, right? How we are the displayed by the page this one. Let's see the in the next video how we are going to dynamically give it by the our content and as well as to the how we are going to displayed by the PDF format. How we are going to display by the PDF format to the our content. This content we have to display by the PDF format like this. Let's discuss in the next video. Stay tuned. Thank you.